Good afternoon, friends. This is NP Jayalakshmi Neha from Hyderabad. I have been staying in this Pyramid Valley for 3 days. The place is really wonderful, it's serene, and the tranquility here is just amazing. The people can come here to visit more than once. I really assured that this is really a wonderful place for meditation, and people who are interested in meditating are sure to visit this place. Okay, there are many places in this Pyramid Valley that are worth seeing. They are a feast to eyes and soul. The first one comes is the biggest pyramid that is present over here in the center. The people who are really interested in meditating with soul can surely visit that and gain so much experience. And coming to Annadanam, there is Nitya Annadanam located just a little distance from here. Okay, people can have food over there, and the food quality is really good. Okay, and you will be having sattvic food over here. Okay, and you even have a cafeteria where you can also eat various kinds of cuisines are available. Okay, and you have Tapasthali, which is really a worth seeing place over here. And the mountain view, the scenic view is just amazing, I can say. Okay, it's just fabulous. And the total greenery here, I bet you will not find it anywhere. It's almost in the every inch and corner of this place. There is Zen Garden where you will find peace to your soul. The place you visit here, one of the most pleasant thing is the Zen Garden. I felt it personally. When I visited there, the energy of the Zens were drawing onto me. This is just a soul refreshing place. Thank you so much.